To transfer from Remitly to GCash. First, open Remitly. If you already have an account, then log in, else create a new profile. Select Country Transfer From, and into, select Philippines. Next, enter your email and password. Tap Join Remitly, and choose accordingly for biometric authentication. Tap Get Started. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and respected amount in the Philippine peso. Tap Delivery Method, and choose Mobile Money. Continue. Select Cash. Enter the receiver's name. Phone number. Click Yes. As a sender, enter your full name. Click to confirm address. Enter address. Phone number. Choose payment mode, either debit or credit card. Enter payment details. Confirm payment.